Alfarounspe dream to achieve big dream in medicines. There are medicines from nature for the treatment of corona and gastrointestinal and respiratory disease in a single drug. The visions of the projects for Alfarounspe and inventors, it is the large number of drugs lead to many diseases. This is rule we must think of it. Again, the large number of drugs lead to many diseases. You see every day new medicines, new kinds of medicines for every diseases, and multi drug in complex mechanism make it a side effect, and they lead to many problem, maybe in short time or in future, but it is fixed to same level, and also return to not benefit from treatment. That is a question. Why you or why we not benefit from every these treatment found or medicine found in my life? This is question lead us to think in a single treatment from nature for all diseases and respiratory tract and psychological versions conclusion, but it's not a dream. It can be achieved if we work hard and forest and activates all humanity's ability to do that. We need also a single treatment for all mental illnesses and diseases such as AIDS and psychological versions conclusions. There are my dream, and I am successful to do that, but no until now there stands me really for how we can do it. This is project, but I am ready to do that in future. I hope to achieve that in short time and give you this is inventor for benefit for all human, not a single human, and that it reach to and lead me for high level of humanity and understands universe really and go ahead to a future. Thanks. FAROUQ RATEB.